Matt, we're here at MANN HUMMEL. Clearly you've got a huge global footprint, but I'd talk about the UK manufacturing side of the business if I can. Tell us a little more.
Yeah, so we have got a huge footprint globally, so we've got 80 locations, but the UK is quite special, and we manufacture our cassettes in the UK, not just our coalescers, also our heppers, and we also manufacture our units in the UK as well. As you can see, these are two of the cassettes that we manufacture. Coalescer. We manufacture our own coalescers with our special blend of different materials that go into the coalescers depending on the application that we're extracting from. So we can tailor our systems to whatever the customer's needs are. So whatever is extracting mist-wise, we can tailor our units to give them the best solution. And also, we manufacture our own heppers, which is quite special as well. We have our own testing unit here in Burnley that test our heppers.
That's quite important, presumably. You need certification to tell you what these things are, you know, in terms of ratings.
Oh, definitely. Definitely with the HEPA filters, they have to be tested so they meet the EN 1822 legislation. So every HEPA that we manufacture has to be tested and certificated. And when we send them out, they'll have the number and test certificate on there to tell the customer you are getting that H13 grade filter. So that's really important.
You mentioned competition filters. How does that work? Obviously they've got to fit competition's units, but how about the clever stuff? How about the materials?
So we use our blends that go into competitors' units. So it's the housings that are different. We can manufacture any filter to go in any extraction system on these cassettes, but we will use our secret blend depending again on the application. So if a customer comes on to us and says they've got an application, we will look at that application and use our technology into that filter to make it sure that filter gets the longest life possible to help the customer basically.
And what's the advantage of UK manufacturing? Presumably at the minute it's a bigger advantage than ever in terms of exchange rates, you know, maybe some of the politics that are going on at this moment in time, and transit as well.
So the biggest benefit is, because we manufacture in the UK, lead times. We cut down on the lead times as well. We're increasing our stocks nearly every week it seems, because the demand for these, when people know that we can sell them at a cost-effective price, they just come to us all the time. So we're increasing our stock levels to meet demand. So it is about that lead time, getting the customer his filters as quickly as possible so he can keep that spindle running. If his spindle's running, he's still making money, isn't he?